It has no shape, size, and size, and can occupy any shape or size. So if you fill up a gas in certain container, that will be the shape of the gas, that one. So we need to bother about the shape and size. That is relevant for us now. Hmm. It expands indefinitely and uniformly to fill the available space. Okay, fine. This is it expands indefinitely and uniformly to fill available place. Suppose you take some amount of gas which is there in bottle. You open it. It will expand throughout the volume of. Okay, there's a gas which is present. It will occupy total volume. You can't say that it will be there only in this part of this one. There's a gas here. Now I'll open the lid. When I open the lid, so what will happen to the gas now? It will start expanding, no? And I'll keep this in a container or in a room. It is a room. Okay, now if I open the lid, if I open the lid, what will happen to the gas? The gas, what will happen? Will occupy the total. No, no, okay, don't say that amount of gas increased. I think you know enough of chemistry. So what will happen? The volume of gas has increased, no? So definitely what you say, density will decrease. But the same amount of gas now it is available throughout the room. Okay, there's a let me call this a box. This is a bottle. There's a lid. There's a gas. So what do you expect? The density will decrease, no doubt. Yeah, earlier, so let me put it like it's having a density rho 1, rho 2. So as of course we can say that, but the amount of gas is same. So it expands indefinitely. So why do it happen? That's due to diffusion. The concentration of molecules here are more, here less. So the gas will move from region of higher concentration to lower concentration. So it will flow here. This is a property of gas itself. So I think we need not to, sir. Why do gas will move out of the bottle? It's a property of gas because the concentration of molecules here more, here less. So the diffusion will occur. So through diffusion, the molecules will move from the bottle into the box, that one, and will fill up like this. So why do this will happen? Due to diffusion. So we'll write it here. Due to from bottle and into to the box. From the bottle and into the box. Okay. So these are some very fundamental properties. Next, what it does, it will exert force on all surfaces it comes in contact. The third very important property, let me write here. Gas, it exerts force on all surfaces that it comes in contact. Again, it exerts force normally because it's similar to fluid. No, it exerts force normally on all surfaces that comes in contact. So here we can show it. Now, what are these arrows?